Hello everyone, I am Dr. Abha Kumari from Nimala College. Today we will discuss from the chapter Matrices, and the topic we will discuss today is matrix multiplication. So first let's see what is matrix multiplication. So to see the matrix multiplication, we take a matrix A equal to Aij, which is of order m cross n, and a matrix P equals to bjk of order n cross p. Be two matrices such that the number of columns in A, here the number of column in A is n, and the equals to the number of rows in B, and here in this set we see that the number of rows in B is n. So the number of rows in A is n, and the number of columns in A is n, and the number of rows in B is also n, and both these are equal. So we can say that this product AB exists and is of order m cross p. If we have the first matrix of order m cross n and the second one is of order n cross p, then while multiplication we get a matrix of order m cross p. Okay, this is m cross p. So here in this way we get a matrix of order m cross p, and is given by AB equal to CIK m cross p, where CIK equals to sigma j equals to 1 to k Aij bjk. So what is Cij? So the elements of Cij can be written as AI1 B1k, AI2 B2k, AI3 B3k, up to dot dot AIN BNK. So here we multiply the first row of the first matrix with the first column of the second matrix. That's why we will write like this. And this is equal to I kth element of the product of the matrix A, B. And this is equals to the sum of the product of corresponding elements of ith row of A and kth column of B. So for a better understanding of this definition, let us see an example. So to see an example, I have taken the two matrices A and B, and the elements of the matrix A is 1, minus 2, 3, minus 4, 2, 5, which is of order 2 cross 3. And the second matrix which I have taken as B equals to 2, 3, 4, 5, minus 2, 1, which is of order 3 cross 2. So while multiplication of any two matrices, it is very important to see the column of the first matrix and the row of the second matrix will be same. So here what we see is, here is 3 and again here is 3. That is the number of column in A is 3 and the number of rows in B is 3. So the product AB exists and we can find it very easily. So here A is 2 cross 3 matrix and B is 3 cross 2 matrix. So AB exists and is of 2 cross 2 matrix. That is the result we will getting here, the product of AB as 2 cross 2 matrix. So let us see the matrix multiplication. How can we multiply the elements of two matrices? So to multiply the elements of two matrices, first we arrange it in this way. AB. If we write A first, then we place the value of the matrix first. If we write B after A, then we place the value of B after A. So it is very important the arranging of the elements. After arranging these elements, we will multiply the elements in a order, and the order is the elements of the first row will be multiply the elements of the first column one by one in a sequence. So to multiply, what we do here first is we multiply 1 by 2 and write here 1 into 2. Then place addition plus sign. Thereafter we multiply minus 2 with 4. That is first element of the first, that is A11, we'll multiply by B11. Thereafter we will multiply A12 by A21, that is 4. So next is minus 2 into 4, then plus. Next we will multiply 3 by minus 2. So we will write here 3 into minus 2. So by simplification this we get minus 12. This is the element of the first cell. That is AB के लिए हमें जो एलिमेंट मिलेगा C का, तो we can say that it is C11. Here in this definition we have given the name of the elements of AB as C. That's why I'm saying here the elements of AB is like C11. Here is what? C11. First row, first column. Then C12, then C21, then C22. This is the elements of AB. So here we get the minus 12. Now the second. To find the second element, we again multiply the first row of A with the second column of B sequentially. So again by multiplying, what we do is we first multiply 1 by 3 and write here 1 into 3. Thereafter minus 2 into 5 and we write here is minus 2 into 5. Thereafter 3 by 1 and we write it 3 into 1. Okay, and then we add all these numbers, so we get here is minus 4. Similarly, we again proceed for the next value and we again multiply the second row. Since now we have no more columns, so we cannot go further. So we just come to the next row. So the second row is 4, 2, 5. So let us start the multiplication. So we will again multiply the second elements of the second row with the first column, the elements of the first column. So while multiplying, what we get here is minus 4 into 2. We write here minus 4 into 2. Thereafter 2 into 4. We write here 2 into 4. Thereafter 5 into minus 2. We write here 5 into minus 2. And while multiplication the elements, we substitute a addition sign, a plus sign between the elements. There's minus 4 into 2, thereafter plus sign. There 2 into 4, we write plus sign. Then 5 into minus 2, again we put the plus sign in between. So the plus sign is very important. Again we multiply the elements of the second row with the elements of the second column in a sequence. So what we get here is 4 into 3. So we write minus 4 into 3. Thereafter 2 into 5. So we write plus 2 into 5. Thereafter 5 into 1. So we write plus 5 into 1. While solving all these numbers, what we get here is minus 12, minus 4, minus 10 and then 3. Right. So this is the rule of multiplication, and that's why we have write it here. A1 AI1 B1K, AI2 B2K, AI3 B3K, and so on. So here we have multiply, but here we have only two matrices of a small number, so it is very easy to multiply. And thereafter, the final one which we see is here is that while multiplication we get the order of the elements AB. That is, order of the matrix AB is what? 2 cross 2. So here what we have, here A is of order 2 cross 3, B is of order 3 cross 2, but what we get the order of AB is 2 cross 2. That is M into B. So this is the matrix multiplication. Here in this way we can multiply the two matrices. Let us, I hope you all understand very well. If you have any doubt, then give me a comment in comment box. Thank you. जी,